Okay, where's Beckway? Oh, the island in behind. Okay, the island behind is Beckway. This one here.
The big one there.
Okay, and what's the two behind that?
Myron.
Okay, so I'm sure you can see the islands in the back. I'm gonna go forward a bit, and then that's Beckway, and then you can see a big cruise ship is in port, and this is the view of Kingstown. So we're doing a little journey around the way. And it's another beautiful day. The sun is really belting out. Lots of houses actually. Lots of buildings. I'm not going too far because I'll be ready in a minute. And you see all around the hills there are houses. Quite lush green place. There we go. There we go. St. Vincent and the Grenadines.